Hi, to pair your iPhone 16e with AirPods, firstly we need to enable pairing mode. For that, I'm gonna open the case and find this button on the back part of it. We need to press and hold the button till the indicator on the front will be blinking white like that. And now you need to remain case open. So make sure it is still blinking and go in your phone settings. Here find Bluetooth and turn it on by tapping on the switcher. After that, in the list of other devices, you should see those AirPods, or you can see this pop-up window to connect a new device. So I'm gonna click on this button Connect and wait a few seconds. And right now I can see name of my AirPods, its battery level for the earphones and for the case. I can tap continue. Here we can accept the special offer or choose not now. And that's it. Now they are connected because we can see status connected and we can see it in the tab My Devices. To disconnect or forget this device, just click on Info icon, scroll all the way down and choose to disconnect, and then you can also tap to forget it. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.